Have you ever looked around a room and thought it's beautiful, but it's missing something? That's exactly where we are with Talaya's living room. The foundation is here, the style is taking place, but now it's time for those finishing touches. The little details that turn a decorated room into a home with personality. So, grab your favorite drink, get comfortable, and let's finish creating this boho chic luxury living room together. Hello and welcome back, mini editors. So we are back in Talaya's boho chic living room and we're getting ready to put all the finishing touches in. I got this burlap from Michael's and I actually stumbled across it. I wasn't even looking for it. I usually go to Michael's to, browse their clearance section, and I've been finding some jewels and I just happened to stumble across this. So I definitely had to get it. I picked this up because I needed to anchor the space with a rug. So I'm tossing around a few ideas. So I picked up some burlap ribbon as well because I really like the color. It really gave me the look that I wanted and the sophistication. But I don't know if I'm going to use it. So I want to check to see how this looks up against the couch, and I really like that color tone. I also like the roll of burlap fabric with this room as well. So I also picked up one more thing, which was a placemat. I thought this would be the easiest choice, but I didn't quite like the color for the room. Now I like the idea of using it as a rug. It also has that texture in it, and this room really needs texture. So I said I'll have to choose between the three. One of these three are gonna be a rug. I also picked up from Michael's these little terracotta pots. So cute. I think I got them like 2 for $1. And so I want to turn them into potted plants, but I don't particularly like the color for the room, so I want to try my hand at painting them white, and we'll see how that goes. So I was looking it up because terracotta really sucks up moisture, right? So I wanted to see what I can use in place of that. I was thinking of buying some sealant for the terracotta, and I was like, no, I want to stay in budget. So I thought Mod Podge. So I'm gonna coat all of the pots with Mod Podge first, and then I'm gonna go in and paint. So let's see how that goes. Okay, so as I was doing these mini pots, I realized that the Mod Podge went a long way. I didn't have to keep reapplying the Mod Podge in order to make it enough for each pot. So as we wait for these to dry, we're going to move over to a new project, and we're going to make the living room rug. Let's get it going. Okay, so as I was tossing around the ideas of which material I wanted to use, I decided to use the placemat as the base, but I was still trying to see or figure out a way to work in this burlap ribbon because I really love this look, but it's not gonna work. So I decided to go ahead and put the ribbon to the side and use the burlap fabric. Okay, so I've completed the rug and you'll get to take a look at that later. But now we're going to head over and start on the curtains. I wanted to do a black curtain because I wanted to anchor the room just a little bit more with the black, and I wanted to do some special. I'm trying to decide on a little bit of a trim, just a little bit of character just to tie it all together. So I wanted to add a trim of one of the pillows, but I can't really decide. That beautiful feather black fabric is wonderful. I really like how it just draws in the eye. It gives more attention to detail. And I also love the cream. So I'm just trying to decide which one works best. But which one would you use? Would you use the feather fabric as a trim for the curtain edge, or would you use the texture fabric with the oranges and the creams and blacks? Well, hello there. If you're new here and you like the mini edit refresh and like to see more episodes, then subscribe. Turn on your notifications. so that you don't miss the next episode. Okay, so here we are. I have my storage box with all of my little jewels, and I got this from Dollar Tree, might I add. And I'm looking for my little hooks. I bought a couple of jewelry kits a while back, and the hooks were perfect for hanging the rods. So I'm just gonna pull out about 3 of those and a couple of gold tacks. The earring hooks already have hooks to them, so I'll just stick the tacks through the hooks and add some hot glue to help stabilize the hooks. Well, that's the end of our show. Tell me, is this room a room that you would have in your actual living room? If so, leave me a comment. And I'll see you in the next mini edit. And if you're interested in watching more mini edit shows, then we have them right here. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye, mini editors.